morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 13th. Back at it. Taking a look here at price. I'm really liking the way this 15 minutes starting to close here. Probably gonna take an entry. Really like how this candle's forward. Obviously 30-minute is still bearish, but we're just around all these supports that I feel like this 15-minute could definitely hold. I like how it's closing, not much of a wick on the bottom. We got a range wick on top. Looking like we got some definitely something gonna be happening, you know what I'm saying? Feeling like pretty good about this buy position. Definitely still pretty iffy about it though at the end of the day. Overall time frames are gonna be relatively more bearish. Daily we got a bearish, 4 hours bearish, 1 hour is bearish, 30-minute bearish, but that 15-minute is starting to reject and reject quite nicely. So might take this risk real quick just to make this happen, but we will see how it goes. It's not letting me open the trade for some reason. I don't know what the fuck's going on. What the fuck? I'm literally hitting open trade right now. It's not opening my trade. It's kind of annoying. What the fuck? Stupid ass shit. Like, bro, what the fuck? Huh. I think my magic keys has died on me or something. What the fuck? That's crazy as hell. Or what the fuck? Hold up, hold up. fuck, man? Some bullshit. My motherfucking batteries died. Crazy as hell. My shit died, bro. I would have been probably on this trade, bro. Fuck me. I seen this coming too. That's what's crazy. Bro, that shit hurt so bad, bro. I can't even cap. Makes you just want to fucking chuck these batteries, bro. Gosh damn. It's all good, though. It's all good. Yeah, bro. Fuck it, bro. But damn, dog. I hate waiting the whole morning for this. Like, this is exactly what I was waiting for. And then knowing I gotta wait for another opportunity and just that. This is like what every trader probably think, but bro, just knowing that this would have been a 1-to-1 secured. And the shitty part is that motherfucking. Of course, I'm looking for another opportunity, but who's to say the opportunity works out? That's what kills you, is knowing that this 1-to-1 would have worked out. And I swear, if I take another position, I lose on that position, bro. That's gonna be like, fuck. That's gonna make this whole thing gonna make it way worse. That's why I just gotta be real patient now at this point, bro. But fucking shit, does that suck? So I just had to switch out the old batteries, man. But man, that's just ass. Obviously, there's an entry opportunity here, but it's like, bro, why the fuck would I want to enter this shit once it's already retraced? Like, bro, what the fuck, dude? Shit crazy, man. Like, I feel like I'd be greedy if I try to enter, like, anytime right now. Or not greedy, but just, like, FOMO almost. It makes it tough because part of me wants to enter again. I mean, it's coming right back to the entry, but it's still like, bro, fuck. Bro, like, my batteries died at the wrong time, bro. I literally was able to get everything. I had everything like this, bro, like, all ready to go. That shit just bullshitted on me, bro. Like, how was I supposed to know that my batteries would die there? That's crazy. Seeing price come back right down. Nah, fuck it, like. But overall bearish trend, like, bro, this shit would just suck. Cause now it's rejecting up there, bro. Like, do I do it? Do I do it? shit doesn't even pop up my shit right. Fucking bitch. That shit even reset my settings too. That shit was bullshit. That made me risk 2%. I was like, bro, what the hell going on? Damn. Decisions, boy. Like right here, it's like you gotta make the decision, man. Am I gonna enter? What's the 30-minute look like? Bunch of bullshit. Think about it, bro. This 15 minutes about to close bearish though. I think at this point, man, I might just wait to see what NYC does, bro. Fuck, dude. Might just say fuck it though, take one trade. See how it goes. It's coming down about a 10 pip profit. You know what I'm saying? Shit. If it comes back down near the same level, I'll probably just answer again. Fuck it. It's not gonna kill me, but you know, it's just the thing that might kill me is just the idea of knowing that I could have won the trade, hit my 1-to-1 at least. But now it's like I'm risking a loss at this point, and that very thought is what's making me hesitate so much. At this point, I'm just trying to get a fire ass stop loss. So if we want to keep pushing down, at least want to get it at a good point. Let's see. Son of a gun, I missed that entry too. I missed it, bro. I was about to hit the enter, but then I just hesitated again. Yeah, bro, you're not lying. You're not lying that it is, but it's like, bro, is the opportunity there, you know? It's like, I don't know. Definitely feels like it. Yeah, no, I know what you mean, bro. For sure, bro. It's like I'm forcing it. What's cracking, Baki? Well, buddy, my magic keys ended up dying on me a little bit. I was supposed to get an entry here once this candle closed. Would at least hit my 1-to-1. Now that I missed my entry, man, I'm like debating waiting on NYSE or entering this position again. But it seems like I'm forcing it a little bit. But at the same time, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I think I just gotta chill. Oh, that shit's so frustrating, bro. Sorry. I just gotta let that go. Just gotta let that go and dial it in. Shit. Let's see. Is there any other confluence I can maybe get to want to re-enter this? Yeah, I'm just gonna wait, man. Wait for NYC at this point. It just, it don't feel right. Man, I wish I entered that mode manually though. It would just took way too long for me to set all that up. On like a weekly time frame right now, we definitely are nearing like support where we could start potentially start making support or doing something on them lines with the weekly. I'm not saying this weekly can't push down, You know what I'm saying? Create a wick, come back up, maybe close the support around here. Could continue also being bearish all the way down to 1828. That is a little doubtful in my mind though. That's such a low price level. I just doubt we're gonna hit that for. I feel like we could start getting support here on that weekly time frame, so I want to look out for that here on the daily. Daily, we've already relatively started that. This was on that Friday. We ended up catching a little bit of support, so we might get a little. Hey, it's a little tougher now. Yeah, it's a little tougher right now. 4 hour. Little bearish, but it's really just consolidated though. Just in this little area, I'd like to see us break out that price level to get a better idea. Hourly looking like shit. What's the range on this guy here? 70 pips, so that's a 70 pip hourly range. Pretty fat. Actually, not even pretty, that's hella fat. Taking a look here on the kind of what's going on. We had a range going on here that was a beautiful range at 30 pips. We did break out. Candles did push quite a bit. We didn't end up hitting the next key level, but we were nearing it. For a scalp position, we could have won a scalp position real quick, but at this point, I just had to let that little scalp position go once I missed my entry. Is what it is. Frustrating the moment, though, I will say. Very frustrating the moment. Just can't think about it now at this point. Just gotta look for the next opportunity. Which sucks because we gotta wait, but you know what I'm saying? It's just part of the game. We just gotta wait. With candles losing the momentum for that bullish push, might start trending back bearish. Overall time frames are bearish, so we might want to at least close like that 4 hour. Maybe just want to tap that bottom of the range. I'm not too sure if we would like to close below, obviously, but we may have the potential, since it already is starting bearish, we could just want to go ahead and touch the bottom here. We might want to retest these lows. Could be a potential. Man, what's some bullshit here. It is what it is. No news today. Hey, my boy Woody Wiggs, definitely good to see you, bro, on the stream. I'm not gonna lie, it was real good to see you. Baki, you's a new guy, man, so what's cracking, man? What's going on with you, buddy? How you feeling today? If you're still watching the stream, man, give me your thoughts, man. Let me know, like, how long you've been trading, maybe. What type of experience you got with trading. And if you are, trading as we speak, give some thoughts in on maybe, how you feeling about whatever pair you trade. For me, I only trade gold and pound yen. Reason being is because I just don't want to focus on too many different currency pairs. I want to get comfortable understanding 1 to 2 currency pairs and just understand how they move within New York session. I prefer the New York session in general, whether that be pre-New York, post-New York, or NYSE. Provides really good volume and a lot of good opportunities, and many opportunities as well. You know, you may have one opportunity, you know, New York session open, you may have another opportunity open up during NYSE. So it's always a, you know, pretty good deal. I definitely like it. You know, all this support, bro, it's kind of weird. May want to take a 15-minute entry. Since we are closing below this 30 pip, we already tried once, it did push down, but we may want to go again. Right here, we have pushed up. This may have been that push up we wanted to get to grab some liquidity. Now that we grab some liquidity, we may want to push down, retest these lows down here. Want to make sure that I got a good 1-to-1. Definitely not going to enter position. Obviously, it's not going to be a 1-to-1 or higher. Being a scalper, I do like that 1-to-1 ratio, because we can always scale that up. And as long as we have good risk management, our P&Ls will match and align correctly. I do like the stop loss here on this. Let's take it all the way down here at least. We'll make it a little bit above, just so we can, for sure, that TP get hit. No type of spread messes with that. So I'm liking how that's looking so far. Make sure we're right above that. Get a little bit of spread involved. Son of a gun. Just trying to pull this down. Yeah. Alright. We got like 4 minutes, guys. Probably less than that, like 3. Yeah, we got 3 minutes. I do gotta be careful though. NYSE could easily just start, you know, this next 30-minute could just start making a support. Could be the possibility, but kind of feeling with NYSE volume, we're gonna just keep pushing down. I like the way we're breaking out of this little consolidated range we had here for a little bit. Not liking the fact that my stop loss is getting bigger and bigger though, I will say. Kind of hope it pushes back up a little bit. I don't mind having a range wick though. I definitely want the range wick. If it has no wick at the bottom, man, I'm really flipping a coin. I don't want to be flipping a coin today. This is what I would rather see within this trade. I don't want to see close with something like a wick like this one. If it looks like this, man, that's gonna really make me hesitate. This look good right here. If it closed like this, I'd be happy. We got 2 minutes, so we're gonna see how it end up closing. But definitely, if we end up closing like this, I'm gonna feel more favorable in this position rather than how it's closing earlier. If it does close minor bullish, we staying out the trade. I'm not gonna take a trade if we close bullish. I am waiting for that closure though. Trading on this 15-minute, I will say, guys, does take experience, so take this with a grain of salt. Obviously, this is gonna be a very risky trade. But at the end of the day, I do feel with the experience I do have, we should keep continuing pushing down at this point. NYC volume's coming in. Price looks like it wants to kind of come down rather than keep going up. So we'll see, but we're rejecting both sides right now. You know, we got rejections down here. We also got a big rejection up here. You know, price doesn't necessarily have a good confluence on where exactly it wants to go, but higher time frames is telling us we are more bearish. So being more bearish at this point, you know, seeing the lower time frames align with that bearish bias, then, you know, at this point we may want to take a little scalp position here with this 15-minute, which is something I'm looking to do, especially going into that NYSE volume we got coming up here in about 30 minutes. Be exact, be about 33 minutes, 32 minutes, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we are kind of creeping up on that. We got a minute left. Price is looking good where it's at right now. Yeah, cause I ain't gonna lie, my boy, I thought about forcing that. To be honest, I know you seen me. I definitely was thinking about it. But I was like, those are tough pills to swallow in trading, man. Especially when you saw your position one. Like, I'm not obviously it looks like Dookie right here. Like, all this looks like Dookie, to be honest with you. But the position was there. That 1-to-1 was secured. Like, I could have been in and out the stream quick as hell, you know. Which that's fine to me, but you know, once the position was missed, it just is what it is. You know, I can't let that get to me. It's gonna be a little bit of a tricky position here. We're just gonna open this up right now. At this point, we got a second till we open up. What's the stop loss looking like here? Stop loss is looking 11 pips. So once we hit 11 pips profit, we'll probably close full, or even close a percentage and let the rest run. It kind of depends on how I'm feeling. Personally, I think I'm just gonna close full. It just doesn't seem like it's giving us the cleanest traffic right now. So personally, that's kind of why I'm more leaning towards like just closing full. Yeah, and down here is already about 11 pips, like where my take profit is, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 11 pips. So 11 pips. Let's see. Something like that. Yeah, so if we can retest this low here, that's probably what I'll just go ahead and close full. Obviously, it'd be sweet if we could hit down here. We're just gonna manage the position accordingly. Once I get the opportunity to, definitely gonna try and trail them stops. I feel like trailing that stop loss has been really beneficial. Entry I took last week ended up making my trade go break even a little too soon, and that break even trade really just kind of killed the whole trade for me. If I just would have kept trailing my stop loss, yes, I did have a stop loss that would have been relatively still in drawdown. But even if I did take that full stop loss with that trailed stop, it would be like super low percent, like maybe even a percent, like 0.08% loss. At that point, I would rather have taken that, because it never even came up to hit that trailed stop loss. It hit my break even, but didn't hit the trailed stop loss. And even if it did hit the trailed stop loss, it wouldn't have affected the account really at all. And not to mention, with that trailed stop loss, it would have kept me in that position last week to really gain a full ass pippage. Like, that shit pushed like 50-60 pips down. Really could have had a super nice trade, but I went ahead, just went with the stop loss break even, which is no worries. You know, it's still a good, valid idea, but sometimes making that trade push down like that can definitely hurt you a bit. If I got any new people tuning into the stream right now, personally, I can't see who's watching really. I just see who's commenting. I see my boy Baki. He went ahead and commented down. That's a new dude, man. So it's good meeting you, man. Really good to see you. Witty Wicks, man, I see you all the time. My boy, it's always good to see you on the stream, man. Definitely always likes hearing your inputs, especially you. Always makes me, aptitude more to try and hit a positive trade for the rest of the community. But at the end of the day, yeah, if there's any new people tuning in today, man, comment something down, man. Let me know you're here. Tell me something good, man. Tell me what's up, whatever it may be. We just here every day trying to be consistently profitable within trading, and to kind of just give a little bit of a realistic background behind trading. I'm not necessarily here to try and flip an account within a day. I'm not trying to risk the full account, man. I'm not going full margin on nothing like that. I just try and take it slow. It is what it is, day by day. So let's see, man. I would like to close full in this position personally, man. Once we hit that 1-to-1, I am just gonna close full. Hopefully we can come near that soon. Just gonna get the old finger ready. Being a Monday is all I really want at this point. Is what's it called? It's the 1-to-1. I really like to see price hit that. Super close at this point, guys. Literally a pip away. Come on, man. Just give me that. Boom, there we go. All right, that's cool, man. All right, well, this position could keep going down, honestly, guys. NYC's around the corner, but I just want to get that quick little position, man. I can't lie. It's Monday. Damn near took a loss on a 1-to-1. Well, I didn't really take a loss. I mean, I missed my opportunity to take the 1-to-1. Could have been a profitable position. Looking at it now, it's kind of crazy to think that that's the power of scalping. You know, I usually take 1 to 2 trades a day. Could have took a trade here, boom, profited. You know, within a consolidated area, you got to be quick with it. This isn't the cleanest traffic, guys, so that's why I definitely wanted to make sure I take my profits. I did, you know, this position could keep going down further, but with how consolidated price is looking, just personally the way price looks to me, especially on that 4-hour higher time frames, it is consolidated. So knowing that we consolidate within this time period, I think it's best to go ahead. You want to take your profits a second, you end up getting to your 1-to-1s. If you want to be holding in certain positions like this, feel free to go ahead, make sure you close some of that positions. But the thing I didn't want to do today is I didn't want to close 50% of the position, 90% of the position, stop loss break even, and end up hitting like a stop loss break even, only because, you know, just the price action right here just not really aligning fully with just the, you know, a trending market right now. And I wouldn't say we're trending just yet because we haven't fully broke out of any type of major ranges. When I mean major ranges, I'm talking about ranges on a higher time frame. Ranges on lower time frames, you could definitely get up in them scalp positions, get in and out. But if you really want to hold a position for, you know, higher pippage, you want something around 100 pip play, you know, something like that, you would really want to make sure that that higher time frame is kind of in a trending position. You know, you're in a spot where that higher time frame is kind of in a range itself. You got to be careful with trying to hold positions on a scalp on lower time frames, because a lot of times it's just going to go ahead, hit your target levels, and then maybe reject off that. For me, it hit my 1-to-1. I'm glad I got out of the position. Yes, it did go down maybe about a few more pips, but right now we are retracing back up. I'm just glad I'm in and out the position. We done took profit. Feeling pretty good about it, man, for real. Really appreciate everybody who tuned into the stream today, man. If anybody learned something today, man, please drop a thumbs up. It'll definitely help me finesse the algorithm, get my video out to other traders that is looking to become profitable. So if anybody looking to go ahead and that was new to the stream, you guys learned something, please go ahead and just drop a like on it. I really would appreciate that. And if anybody's new tuning in today, I would appreciate you guys going ahead, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead, put them notifications on so you guys know exactly when I come on to the stream. Lately, a lot of the times I have been coming on relatively more towards NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange session. Haven't been trading a lot of New York Open, but that New York Open has gave us some good opportunities for today. The Monday have been pretty solid, so thank you so much. And also my boy Witty Wicks, thank you so much for that, for your comments as well. Really, yeah, man, it's I really appreciate you know, letting me know, because 100%, man, missing that first position, kind of like I said earlier, it's just one of those things where knowing that I missed the position, right, and then looking at it, knowing that this would have pushed, for instance, like right here, this is a 143, this pushed 181. You could have easily secured your 1-to-1. I knew this, but I ended up missing the position. My batteries died on my magic keys. Once my batteries died on my magic keys, I couldn't enter the position. I'd have had to enter it manually, which would make me have to type in my take profit level, my stop loss, all this type of stuff, and that is going to take way too much time for me to enter position. Price was already moving. At that point, I just had to just settle in on not taking the trade. There was times when price did push down. Could have maybe took the opportunity, but overall, I don't even think it pushed up fully enough to give me that 1-to-1. We waited a little bit, got a good position here. Once we was able to actually close below all this this small range here, at a 30 pip range, we gave one shot at it, didn't end up fully making that happen. The next 15 minutes gave us that opportunity. Definitely glad I was able to wait and kind of hold off those emotions, but definitely was a huge, yeah. So my boy Witty Wicks put it pretty perfect how he said it. This is a valid stream showing how emotion could take over, but staying grounded got you that 1-to-1 consolidated zone and calling it a day. Educational for real. Witty Wicks, I appreciate that comment, buddy. That really means a lot to me. Really want to make sure I'm kind of providing the same type of stream every single day. Showing when not to be greedy. Don't let FOMO get to you. If anybody doesn't know what FOMO means, it just means fear of missing out. You know, I can't be scared of missing out of a position. If it's already in motion, it's already in motion. You gotta let that be. But money always moves. There's always other opportunities, and we end up taking this opportunity. We got the profitable position. We done got our money. Now we out the position, and you know, price retracing back to where I end up taking profit. But at the end of the day, we're just gonna call it a day. We're gonna call it a day. Today is Monday. We got a lot more trading days. Taking a look at the news here, guys. Definitely got a lot of news. We got core price index here coming up tomorrow. That's gonna be right after New York session open, 30 minutes after. So gonna be a for sure very volatile day. With news being at 7:30, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna want to take a position right at news or news open. Like, I don't necessarily think I'm gonna trade the news in specific. I'll probably wait to see what happens after the news and just catch the play during NYSE. It's kind of what I'm thinking. But obviously, I'll be up trying to look at price action and see what's going on. Wednesday, same thing. You know, we got producer price index instead of core price index. So with producer price index, we got the same time. You know, it's going to be at 7:30. Empire State Manufacturing as well. Retail sales. Yeah, this whole week, man, we got it popping, man. 7:30's got it popping. We got unemployment claims on 7:30 for the 16th of November. Friday is pretty much the only kind of chill day we got, but you know, being Friday, being the closing week, we're still gonna get that volume of all those orders trying to be closed and positioned, and everything like that. So got a lot to look forward this week. Pretty excited, man. Positions right now going crazy. Actually, I'm lying. It's not really going crazy right now. It's only fucking like 3 pips below where I entered. Not even fucking. It's like 2 pips below, but it is pushing past. Definitely can see it hitting this wick down here, potentially hitting overall take profit. But at the end of the day, guys, yeah, once we break out that on that 4 hour, we start actually trending for real, which it is already. We're starting to break out. If this 4 hour can close below, guys, we could start pushing down even further. You know, we could start pushing down further, guys. We could definitely try and hit this 1923. Past 1923, guys, I'm a little skeptical, especially with everything what's going on in the world. I just don't see price on gold going so low whenever everybody's trying to buy gold. You know, people are trying to buy gold. It's a safe haven. I don't necessarily predict or see gold pushing. I mean, I can see it going to 1923, but past that, like in the 1800s, I just doubt it. I just doubt it, man. If it goes in 1800s, man, we're gonna have a huge spike to the upside, which is definitely gonna be good for us either way. It doesn't really matter. We're gonna catch it either if it's coming down or up. Don't matter to us. We just got to make sure we get that right position, that right entry. Anyways, guys, I've been talking a whole hell of a lot, and this trade's already over with. Trade's done. So, you know, hey, we just going to call it a day, guys. I'm going to go ahead and mark up the charts a little bit for my Discord community, man. I've been kind of slacking with my own Discord community with just posting charts. Definitely can't be doing that because I am the, you know, started that thing. I got other guys in my community that's posting charts, and I appreciate that like crazy, man. That's super helpful. I really love to see it. My boy Rec, Witty Wicks, and Golden as well. My boy Baba Yaga, he goes ahead, he posts them charts. I really appreciate everybody doing that. Baba Yaga also goes by Miles here on the YouTube, but definitely like everybody posting charts. My apologies to anybody that is, you know, in my Discord community that would like to see my charts, man. I have been lazy with it. I have been not posting my charts, and I will let you guys know I'm gonna get that going right now. Let me just go ahead and get this marked out so it's a little bit more clear. Dinesh, bro. Hey, so this is Dinesh right here, man. He killing it in the Indian markets. This guy goes crazy with it. He making like 10K, 30K, 25K in the Indian markets. Straight killing it, bro. Dinesh, how you doing, bro? Good to see you, man. Ended up taking a trade, Dinesh. We in and out the trade. Trade's over with at this point. I'm just gonna go ahead and mark up how my trade went, what my thought process was, and pretty much call it a day. Hey, Dinesh, that's beautiful here, man. I'm gonna have to tell all my Indian buddies up in the motherfucking Discord. I'm gonna have to tell them Happy Diwali. Uh, Diwali is an Indian festival. In this festival, we all in Indian enjoy like you enjoy Christmas. Hey, man, God bless. I really hope you enjoy that day today, man. Eat the best foods. Eat all your favorite foods. I really hope you enjoy the day, man. Give some gifts out to the people you love. And I really hope you enjoy it today, buddy. Straight up, man. Just enjoy your day today, man. Um, yeah, man. Go back in the stream today, man. If you want to go check out how I took my trade today, I'm going to be closing here soon. If you like, just go ahead, go back in the stream and go ahead, take a look on how I entered this position. But Dinesh, very good to see you, bro. Like I said, man, go follow me on Instagram, man. You follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you back. Go ahead, give you I'll get you locked into my Discord, man. I'd love to see your charts and how you take trades within the Indian stock market. Definitely cool to see, man. But regardless, buddy, you enjoy that festival today, and just enjoy your day. Happy Diwali. I may be saying that completely wrong, but you know, 100%. Just want to give you just a heads up, you know. No disrespect if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. Today you made 20K in the Indian market, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Every time I see you, bro, you're making 10K, 20K, bro. That's what I like to hear, man. So just keep that shit up, bro. Keep it going, man. I like to hear it. God bless you, man. And just, man, get your family a little something, bro, with that bread you made. You know what I'm saying? Get your family a little good deal, good meal, whatever it may be, man. Alrighty, folks. Well, Witty Wicks, man, much appreciated, bro. I really enjoy you in my stream today, man. I'm super glad you was able to see, like, firsthand how the hell that price went and how that trade went at first. Definitely sucked. I missed that first opportunity, but was able to get that second opportunity. I'm super glad you was able to witness that yourself, man. That really, you know, helps me, and you know what I'm saying, makes me feel like I'm getting that out to, you know, not only you but the rest of the world, and at least got that same idea of understanding with the whole FOMO thing, staying out of positions in XYZ, going through those emotions you feel when you are a trader. Dinesh, man, God bless. Enjoy your festival of Diwali today. And Baki, you's a new dude. I hope I see you tomorrow on my stream. We got core price index tomorrow. Got a volatile day for tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to seeing you join my stream, man. If I take a loss tomorrow, I'd like you to see how I end up managing that loss. If I take a dub, I'd like you to see how I was able to see the opportunity before it started. Dinesh, God bless. Witty Wicks, God bless. Baki, God bless. Everybody else that was tuned into the stream today, hope you guys were able to learn something today. If you did, please drop a like on the video, man. I really appreciate it. Help me finesse the algorithm, get my videos out there. If you feel like you're learning something on a daily basis, go ahead, drop me a subscription, turn on the notifications so you see every time I start going on live. Generally like to trade the NYSE session, but you know, I do like when I see the opportunity present itself, I do like to be here during that New York session open. Appreciate it, guys. Everybody have a great day. See y'all tomorrow. Peace out, man. Have a good day. God bless. Good night, buddy. Good night. And Dinesh, man, enjoy yourself, bro. Turn up, man. Have a good time. Peace out.